Did you know? Over 2,000 years ago, Romans believed sneezing expelled part of your soul. To protect it, people would shout blessings, sometimes even to animals that sneeze. Some doctors thought sneezing was a sign the body was trying to heal itself, or that it was being invaded by demons. But here's the weirdest part. In public baths, Roman attendants were trained to shout blessings at every sneeze to prevent spiritual harm. So next time someone sneezes, remember, ancient Romans were trying to save souls, one Gesundheit at a time.